Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Rizky Kamedina Rahmawati from English Diploma. In this occasion, I will present the quality of the translation of the text with the title Burj Khalifa. Number one is the Burj Khalifa is the world's tallest building. The target text is Burj Khalifa adalah gedung tertinggi di dunia. The strategy is establish equivalence and pure borrowing Burj Khalifa. The accuracy is 3, acceptability is 3, the readability is 3. Number 2, the height is staggering 800 to 28 meters, 2,716.5 feet tall, soaring over Dubai. The target text is tingginya mengejutkan 828 meter, 2.716,5 kaki, menjulang di atas Dubai. The translation strategy is establish equivalence, pure borrowing on Dubai, and reduction is. The translation quality is, the accuracy is 3, the acceptability and readability is 2 because the sentence menjulang di atas Dubai is less acceptable with the source text, and the sentence still feel strange when read. Number 3, it's 3 times as tall as the Eiffel Tower and nearly twice as tall as the Empire State Building. The target text is tingginya 3 kali lebih tinggi dari Menara Eiffel dan hampir 2 kali lebih tinggi dari Empire State Building. Translation strategy is establish equivalence, pure borrowing on Eiffel and Empire State Building. The accuracy is 3, the acceptability is 3, and readability is 3. Number 4, laid end-to-end, its piece stretch over a quarter of way around the world. The target text is diletakkan ujung ke ujung, potongan-potongannya membentang lebih dari seperempat jalan di seluruh dunia. Strategy is established equivalence. The accuracy is 3. The readability and the acceptability is 2 because diletakkan di ujung ke ujung still feels strange when read. Number 5. Its close piercing height is certainly one of the most impressive fact about Burj Khalifa. The target text is ketinggiannya yang menembus awan tentu saja merupakan salah satu fakta paling mengesankan tentang Burj Khalifa. The strategy is establish equivalent Burj Khalifa pure borrowing, reduction is, and the translation quality, the acceptability is 3, the accuracy is 3, the readability is 3. Number 6. Burj Khalifa facts that you can truly applaud are its sustainability and reuse of resources. The target text is fakta Burj Khalifa yang benar-benar dapat Anda tepuk tangani adalah keberlanjutan dan penggunaan kembali sumber dayanya. The strategy is establish equivalence, pure borrowing on Burj Khalifa, reductions. The accuracy is 3, but the acceptability and readability is 2 because the sentence Anda tepuk tangani can be replaced with the word apresiasi, so that the resulting sentence is more acceptable and easier to read. Number 7. Every year, 15 million gallons of water are collected sustainably. The target text is tiap tahun 15 juta galon air dikumpulkan secara berkelanjutan. The strategy is establish equivalence and reductions are. The accuracy is 3, the acceptability is 3, and readability is 3. Next is the water is used for irrigation to water the landscaping and plants, for the cooling system, and to supply the Dubai fountain. The target text is air digunakan untuk irigasi, untuk menyirami lanskap dan tanaman, untuk sistem pendinginan, dan untuk penyediaan air mancur Dubai. The strategy is establish equivalence, pure borrowing on Dubai, reduction is. The translation quality is, the accuracy is 3, the acceptability and the readability is 2, because in that sentence there are many recitation of word untuk, which make it less pleasant to read. Next is some Burj Khalifa trivia about the elevator is the building has the longest single running elevator, which is 140 floors. The target text is beberapa hal sepele Burj Khalifa tentang lift adalah gedung ini memiliki lift tunggal terpanjang yaitu 140 lantai. The strategy is establish equivalence, pure borrowing on Burj Khalifa. The translation quality is the accuracy is 3, the acceptability is 3, and the readability is 3. Next is the Burj Khalifa elevator speed is 10 meters per second, making the elevators among the fastest in the world. The target text is kecepatan lift Burj Khalifa adalah 10 meter per detik, menjadikan lift tercepat di dunia. The strategy is establish equivalence, pure borrowing on Burj Khalifa, reductions on amount, and for the translation quality, the accuracy is 3, the acceptability is 3, and the readability is 3. Next is the Burj Khalifa elevator time to reach the observation deck on the 124th floor is only 1 minute. The target text is waktu lift Burj Khalifa untuk mencapai dek observasi di lantai 124 hanya 1 menit. It use established equivalence, pure borrowing on Burj Khalifa. The translation quality, the accuracy is 3, the acceptability is 3, and the readability is 3. Next is one of the most mind-blowing Burj Khalifa fact is how much the material weight. The target text is salah satu fakta Burj Khalifa yang paling mengejutkan adalah berapa berat bahannya. It use established equivalence and pure borrowing on Burj Khalifa. The translation strategy is the translation quality. The accuracy is 3, the acceptability is 3, the readability is 3. Next is to put things into perspective. The weight of the concrete is equivalent to 100,000 elephants. The target text is sebagai perbandingan berat beton itu setara dengan 100.000 gajah. It use established equivalence and modulations on sentence to put things into perspective. The accuracy is 2 because in that sentence there are sentences that use modulation which may not be accurate with the actual meaning. The acceptability is 3 and the readability is 3. Next is the total weight of aluminum used on the Burj Khalifa is equivalent to that of 5 A380 aircraft. The target text is aluminium yang digunakan Burj Khalifa seberat 5 pesawat A380. It use established equivalence, pure borrowing Burj Khalifa, reductions on the total is and to that 2. The accuracy is 3, the acceptability is 3, the readability is 3. Next is beside the building is designed to resemble the Hymenocallis flower. The target text is selain itu puncaknya seperti bunga Hymenocallis. The strategy is establish equivalent, pure borrowing Hymenocallis and reduction design and modulation on resemble. The accuracy is 1 because the sentence the building is designed to resemble the Hymenocallis flower should be interpreted as bangunannya didesain menyerupai bunga Hymenocallis so that the meaning is more accurate. For the acceptability and the readability is 2 because the sentence the building is designed can be interpreted as bangunannya didesain to make it more acceptable and easier to read. And the last is the central core emerges at the top and culminates in a sculpted spire. The target text is inti pusat muncul di bagian atas dan berpuncak pada puncak menara yang terpahat. The strategy is establish equivalence and reduction on it. The accuracy is 1 because the accuracy, acceptability, and readability is 1 because in the sentence there are so many repetitions of the word puncak, which make the quality of the translation less accurate, less acceptable, and too complicated to read. Okay, that's all the presentation that I can convey regarding the quality of the translation of the text. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.